Here we go. I installed this Ecobee, so he has all the Wi-Fi capabilities, can check on the AC, can make sure everything's working right. I do like the generation with the air quality sensor in it. I think it's actually a pretty accurate sensor, to be honest. So this one was relatively dirty. It looks like it's been a while since it's gotten cleaned. I always like to inspect everything beforehand. Now look at all that gunk going right into that motor. So I use these brushes because I can squeeze it right down in the blower wheel. I don't have to take apart the entire motor and the entire system. Look how much dust just came out of it from like 4 or 5 swipes. So they say 1/10 of an inch of dust affects the efficiency up to about 10%. So the cleaner they are, the better they're going to work. So I go around, clean the heck out of it, and you can see all that dust just flying right out of it. Not to mention you're breathing all that dust in. Now, when there's mold and mildew inside the air conditioner, every time that fan turns on, it sucks those spores and it recirculates it throughout the house. So that's why it's important to get everything clean. That's why UV lights are important. And that's why sanitizers are important. Because these ACs, especially in the summer, are running about 16 to 18 hours a day. No point using a drill when you got crescent wrenches. My favorite, easiest way to get the bolts off. Clean everything out. Make sure it's nice and tidy, nice and clean, so no dust is obstructing the airflow. That is the most important thing when it comes to these outside units. And here we go, my favorite soap gun in the world. Nothing compares to this soap gun. I don't care who, what, when, how says anything about it. These things are ridiculous, and they sud the most amount of soap throughout the entire air conditioner. And you can see just how much soap it gets inside the AC. There we go. Make sure the outside's all nice and clean. Clean all the wires. I don't like putting the motor back and getting all that gunk inside the motors. It's just not worth it. I like it to be nice and clean. Most important thing, if you're going to do one thing during the maintenance, the drain is going to be the most important. I clean all the panels, clean all the dust off, get the water as hot as physically possible, and dump about 15-20 bottles down the pan, the line, and everything. The pan was really, really dirty, and that was the majority of the problem. So, there we go. Check the pressures. Drill flip. Nailed it. There we go.